Duct tape coating, a quick guide for beginners. Hello everyone, today we're going to explore an interesting phrase in the world of software development. Duct tape coating. This term may sound a bit odd at first, but it's actually a very common concept in programming. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how it's used in the software industry. Duct tape coating is a term used in software development to describe a quick and temporary solution to a problem. The phrase is inspired by the real-world use of duct tape as a temporary fix for a wide range of issues. In coding, it refers to a situation where a programmer uses a quick fix to solve a problem, knowing that it might not be the best or most elegant solution. It's like patching up a leak with duct tape instead of fixing the pipe permanently. Duct tape coating is often used in scenarios where there is urgent need to get something working. This could be due to tight deadlines, critical bugs that need immediate attention, or during prototyping phases where the focus is more on functionality rather than perfection. It's important to remember that while these solutions are quick, they are not typically considered good practice for long-term code health. Pros: quick solution. It provides a rapid fix to an immediate problem. Flexibility. Allows for quick changes and adaptations in a project. Cons: not sustainable. These fixes are temporary and can lead to more problems in the future. Code quality. Can decrease the overall quality and maintainability of the code. While duct tape coating is not ideal, there are times when it's necessary. Here are some best practices. Document. Always document any duct tape code, explaining why it was used and its intended purpose. Plan to replace. Treat these solutions as temporary and plan time to replace them with more robust code. Test thoroughly. Ensure that even your temporary fixes don't introduce new bugs or issues. Duct tape coating is a term that every programmer encounters at some point. It's a useful technique for urgent fixes, but it's important to use it judiciously and always aim for better, more sustainable solutions in the long run. I hope this video helps you understand this unique aspect of software development. Happy coding, and see you in the next video.